Good day to everyone. Welcome back again to my technical analysis class. Today we will go through the basics of GAN angles and GAN techniques. Even though I had promised to teach this class about 6 to 8 months back, I put all my time to learn algo trading and creating algo strategies. This is the predominance in the market now. So to pace with the market, had to upgrade myself. So few months I was putting all my time to learn algo trading. Okay. Now coming back to our class, we will be basics only on the GAN because GAN itself is a larger subject. It takes many sessions. WD GAN was a successful trader from United States. He developed many techniques and he was one of the pioneers in those time. Later stage, some of the techniques which was popularized in the market, which was GAN angles, time and price square charts, importance of trading days, weeks, etc. We learned in our previous lesson how to draw trend lines and how the trend lines acting as support and resistance. But to draw trend lines, we need 2 points, whereas for GAN, a single point is enough. Single point will forecast the futures support and resistance. See, most of the time, GAN angles tests 2 or 3 times either support or resistance before breaking out or breaking down. Breaking above GAN angle gives buying opportunity. Breaking below GAN angle mostly will be a sideways movement or a bearish movement. GAN suggests that when the price remain above 1 by 1 angle, price action is strong. Market will be bullish. And GAN along with the Fibonacci gives excellent setup for support and resistance. I use GAN along with the Fibonacci. These are the GAN angles. Most of the time, all the charting softwares they give GAN angles. But we have to see which angles are correct respective to your monitor. All charting softwares are not correct. So I suggest better to draw a Gantt chart like this. It's a monthly chart I drawn. So We define your Gann angles from the chart. Chart better use a semi-log graph paper for that. Then you make the Gann angles easy to make one by one at 45 degree, 2 by 1 at 26.5 degrees, and 1 by 2 at 63.5 degrees. Then you adjust your Gann angles into the charting software if it permits. All charting software don't allow to make adjustment, but there are some softwares which you can adjust as per your monitor. Okay. Now these three angles are mostly used: one by one angle, two by one angle, and one by two angle. I am also using these three angles only. Remaining I am not giving much importance. This is a Gann angle. Starting point 0. The line going at 45-degree angle. When you draw straight is a one by one angle. And the lesser angle, as I said, 26.5 degree, this angle is 2 by 1 angle. Next angle to draw is 63.5 degrees at 1 by 2. This angle 63.5 degree is 1 by 2 angle. So this is the way to draw Gann angles on the chart. As far as the price remain above these lines, market is bullish. When the price remains above 2 by 1 angle, that means this angle, market is more strong. Most of the time, when the market breaks out, market will move like this. They mostly it will move above 2 by 1, then it corrects itself. Once it corrects to the 1 by 1 line, most of the time, it may take support here again and move up. And at some time, it try to correct again, then further will correct. Maybe it can come down to this level, 1 by 2. Then from again, it may take support and go. This is the way most of the time market moves. So the uptrend will be intact, but there will be sideways movement. But the indactness will be there. That's why we said price above 1 by 2 is bullish. And as far as it remains 1 by 1 is strong, and when the price remains above 2 by 1 line will be extremely bullish, but this phase will be very short long, maybe 5 days, 8 days, etc. And there is one more part Gann suggests is the time and price square. Gann suggests that when the price move up this length, it takes same amount of time to correct. Then it start moving again. That means as far as the price moves here, most of the time it takes some time to correct. And after correction from this, like price start moving again. Then again it takes some time correction, then move. Then take some time correction, then move. So this is known as the time and price square. So every time when you draw a time and price square chart, you can see the market is moving almost on the time. Most of the time, it's not necessary, but most of the time, price may correct on this line, this timeline, correct or go sideways, or can be some sort of trend change. Okay. Well, we will go with the Nifty chart, actual chart. So that will be easier for me to explain and for you to understand also. So that will guide us where do we stand also. All the Nifty charts are till up to date, 12th evening closing. Starting with the hourly chart, this is the recent high, 15,433 points. This is Nifty spot chart. From there, market corrected deeply. When the market came down, when you put a Gann angle, the Gann price remained between this line and this line, these angles. And here the price move above one by one and took support at this angle, this line. Few days market moved from there, then gap down up to this level. This level is one by one Gann angle. It took support at one by one Gann angle and price moved up. When you consider this support level, we got to see the backside also. There was a gap. The price has shown support at two levels. One was the gap support and one was the Gann support. Then price moved about 3 days up. First day here, second day here it broken above the Gann line again. Second time, and one bullish move on the third day. But unfortunately, fourth day it couldn't sustain. It gapped down, tried to move, but came down. So the price action from this level is showing weakness. As you can see, the price took support at a one by one angle here, had moved up, but same way it came down. Long bearish candle on hourly chart. Then price was showing between the line. So it means the price was moving up and down on the line. Again, attempt was made to break up, but as you see, this is a Friday opening. Price gapped up open, but no takers. Market made a bearish candle on the first hour itself, non-follow through gap, then closed a negative. With the engulfing candle, it engulfed the previous day and part of the previous two candle. It's a strong engulfing candle when you see from the chart. And when you see the analyze the Gann angle from here on hourly point, you can see the price moved up, but price is continually moving away from the angle. Price is moving away. The distance is increasing. It indicates weakness in the market. And the weakness it is shown clearly on the hourly chart. However, price took support at a 1 by 2 Gann angle here. Just before closing, price took support and it closed slightly positive on the hourly angle. So when you analyze on the hourly chart, the price has shown some support. So we don't know on Monday opening price may move up or down. But as far as Gann analyze, price is showing weakness because price is moving away and away. Okay, let us analyze on the daily chart. But always remember that this gap is strong gap, and after this gap, there was a strong move for 3 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days up move. So most of the time gaps are created by big hands. So they want to hold the price till certain level on that level. So we have to see on that part also. Until and unless the price break down this line, price goes still upward move. This action what you see is the sideways move. Moved up from here, move down here, moved up here, then may move down like this. This is known as sideways move or corrective phase on the Nifty. Now correction way move which way we don't know, but the phase is on corrective move. It is a bad time for investors, but for traders it's a super boom time because they got two levels on support and resistance. This is clear support area, it's a clear resistance area, so they can trade between. So boom means side for the traders. As far as the price remain within the range, that means range is 14,450 to 15,450. That's the current range. Option traders will benefit. They have good time. Let us go on to the next chart on the Nifty daily. I put two or three Gann lines, Gann angles. Let us start from this point. There was a correction from this one, and the price made a small gap up opening above this red candle, and next day again gapped up open and they made a good bullish candle. These two move when you put a Gann angle here, you will say above 2 by 1 line, 26-degree angle here. Very strong move, and few days the price remain within the line. It is a 10 bar. For 10 days, price moved along with the 2 by 1 strong bullish move. Then every time we have to see there is a correction for every move as we suggested on the time correction. So price tried to correct from here to this level. But before reaching 1 by 1 GAN, price started moving up again. You can see from here 1, 2, 3, 4 candles moved up. Then again started correcting to sideways because there is a strong resistance area here, horizontal resistance. After making correction, price broken down 1 by 1 line. Before seeing in that part, we have to see 1, 2, third day. 3 days, price attempted to take support on 1 by 1. Then fourth day, it broken down. Price broken down, and next day, price gapped up open. This is a gap here. Made a bullish candle, closed the above 1 by 1. Now, we have seen that price is on a corrective phase, and we saw that price tried to take support here and here. Unfortunately, it broken down. Then it made a bullish candle, closing above 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 candles. That means this horizontal side was broken and closed above, and the price closed above 1 by 1. So that is the time to enter into the market. Very strong bullish move. So we are supposed to enter above this line. This horizontal. After closing, so those who enter from here, price moved up all the way. Many days, price moved up. So this is the way you have to analyze the GAN angle. And after moving up from here, we have to change. We have to put another GAN angle here. So I put one more GAN angle, and this move is more stronger than this move. You can see price remained well away from 2 by 1. Here price was showing on 2 by 1, but here price remained well away from 2 by 1. You see the angle. This is much more stronger, very strong move. Those who pioneered GAN, they understood this one, they made good money here. And from here, it shown weakness, and it tried to breach 2 by 1. Then next day onwards, it was on showing difficulty to cross above. So this phase is corrective phase. Here, action is not there, price is moving sideways. And after moving, he came all the way here, took support on 1 by 1. You have to see after moving away from 2 by 1, most of the time it may take support at 1 by 1. So this previous 1 by 1 was a support area, but the breaching was very strong, so it didn't do support. But we had already placed a GAN angle here, and we know the support will be here. And if price took support here, we waited for confirmation. Second candle closed just above. Third candle again closed above 1 by 2 line. So this is confirmation that price is taken support on this line. third test, then price started moving up. Here again it tried to took support and again moved for few more days. So this is the way we have to analyze gain angles. You have to keep shifting the gain angles and see where it is taking support. And from here we can see price moved up all the way here. Now what you see, the as the price moved above one by one, it was moving within a channel. The previous one by one and the current one by one. So people who mastered in channel and they notice that this price is moving within the channel. So this is the place to make short term trading. Price every time shown resistance on this line, and here it breached again. You can see after breaching 2-3 times it tried to move up, but unfortunately it came down. After this fall, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days fall, price started moving again. So this fall, it took support and made a bullish candle. Even though price gap down, but the action was strong bullish move. So this indicating that something support is in the way. And second day, it made a doji, but never breached the support angle of 1 2 by 1. And third day made a strong, very strong bullish candle after taking support on the 2 by 1 angle. So you have to see that support are very strong because you see the angle is very deep angle. The price moving was within a very narrow range. So this strong bullish move taken price all the way up. Within short time, price moved quite high. Then here price started showing weakness. So here we can see the prices shown resistance here. Next day it opened above this 1 by 1 resistance line. But didn't sustain 2-3 days, it made sideways move, then it broken down. So this sideways move was there few days, then again tried to break above this 1 by 1 where the initial started. But it didn't sustain. Then started moving down, breaking down. So this time when it break down, the price came below this line 2 by 1. That means price moved away from this line. And here the price now, this is Friday. Friday, when you put a trend line like this is a trend line. Price was showing resistance at the trend line. And it made a bearish candle engulfing previous two candles, 2 days. Now this Nifty is tired, needs some rest for further momentum. So from the daily and hourly chart analysis, we could analyze that Nifty needs some time to rest before the next is a flag leg. So maybe price may take some time rest here, may break up. So this is the way I see market is strong bullish, but uh, slightly exhausted now. So it is taking sideways move. So maybe, to my opinion, to my analyze, market may go sideways. This time is bad for the investors, but good for the traders, especially option traders. They get a two range they can play with, and even if those who buy and sell also traders, they can buy this level and sell this level. Short term trade. This is the daily analysis on the chart. Okay, we already analyzed the daily chart. Now let us see what we get from the weekly chart. This is Nifty weekly chart. 5 weeks was strong bullish move, then started moving down. It takes 2-3 weeks correction, and it tried to breach one by one, but price swayed on this line, one by one. It didn't breach actually. It was always try to close above one by one line. The price action was strong again. It moved up, but corrected deeply. It didn't breach the previous low, but the correction was very deep, threatening all the people. Market was very threatening. Then market tried to pick up from here. But this move, when you put the Gann angle from here, it never moved above this line 2 by 1. You are showing support at a 1 by 2. You can see it shown support. So it was resistant to move above 1 by 1 and 2 by 1. And all this time price remained within the channel of 1 by 2, sorry, uh, this 1 by 2 of the previous Gann angle, and this 1 by 2 on this Gann angle. This is also 1 by 2, this is also 1 by 2. So the 1 by 2 angles acted as a support and resistance for few months. This is weekly chart, meant that. And every time it tried to reach this this resistance angle, it came down. And at this place, it resistance was strong, it broken this support. Then few weeks, price corrected itself, and again it took support some level here, then tried to move. So this move also was not that strong, but it remained above one by one. So this move was much stronger than this move and than this move, because this move price remained above one by one. This move also price was showing above within the one by one. So what we see from here is the initial momentum. It couldn't sustain. This is around December month. Those who analyze the chart, they have seen there was divergence also. There was a clear sign that price lost its momentum here. In a chart on my Facebook page, I posted and I told them book profit right now. Don't wait because the momentum is gone. Those who invested for a few years, they booked profit and they stood sideways. So I also did the same thing. Unfortunately, the COVID came, market came down. So those who booked the profit, they made good money, and they stood with the cash to this support, strong support, and buy from here. Those who bought, they made good money because this momentum was very strong. You see the angle. This is 2 by 1 angle, and it never reached the 2 by 1 angle. It stayed well away from 2 1 angle. That means the momentum was strong, very strong bullish move. So this bullish move has taken the market all the time high. Even though Corona was there, but Indian economy moved up. Indian market was strong, very strong. However, we have to see that price attempted to breach here, this Gann angle. This was the first test of Gann angle. Here also tried to breach, immediately moved up, second test. Then price remained above the Gann angle. Here again it tried to breach. This is third test. So on my initial starting time I said most of the time Gann angle will be tested 2 or 3 times. So what we can see is the first test, second test, third test. Now if we see the Friday closing candle was almost like a gravestone doji. It pulled down all the way down. And before that week also price went up and closed below halfway below. And 1 week before was a bearish candle. So every time price attempted to move up this angle, this 1 by 2 was showing resistance here. This was showing resistance all the ways here. Here it was showing resistance and here also it is showing resistance. And since the market has moved all the way up, it is almost tired, needs some rest. So this is what we can see price action having higher upper shadow. Even though price made higher low, it closed above higher low, but the upper shadow is weakness. So by analyzing the Nifty chart, weekly chart, my suggestion is to book profit on the long positions and stay with the cash. So when the market come down to support level, we can buy. Maybe here, maybe here. These two levels of because market is strong, very bullish, no doubt. So immediate support could be here. This 1 by 2 line act as support now. If it fails, this 1 by 2 will act as support. This is the way what we can see from the Nifty analyze on the weekly chart. Made a gain angle from the 2008 low. The price remained few months above 1 by 1. Then it breached at here you can see a 13-month move. This candle 13th month move from here. Price action was weak. Price was resistant to make higher high. It was going sideways. That it made a high here but corrected deeply for few months, almost 1 year. So bad time for the people who traded those time. Like me and all many lost a huge amount of money here. This due to the correction. And when the price corrected, see here it breached 1 by 1 angle. When it breached 1 by 1 angle, supposed to come to 1 by 2, it came and it took support. So this price action was above 1 by 2 support for few months. It was making not much move, but slowly market was moving up with the small candles, but never reached this line. And at some time it broken here. From that point, I put a parallel line of this 1 by 2 channel here. This is a parallel to 1 by 2. You can put a Gann angle from here. Instead of putting a Gann angle, I put a channel because the price is not moving high. It is making on the channel line. And here I removed the other line because of the clarity for the chart. From here, the market moves strong. You see the angle. Strong move. This move broken above this 1 by 2 line. And the momentum continued for a few months till it reached at this 1 by 2 line, because I shifted this 1 by 2 as a channel parallel to this previous high. So as far as the time it reached here, price started correcting. So this 1 by 2 line acting as a resistance here. After showing resistance for few months, price corrected itself. Here it attempted to take support, but it breached again. 1 month, second month. After coming down this level, this channel took support. This 1 by 2 channel took support and price moved up again. And this candle was strong. Then it remained above this 1 by 2 line. And here the price was bullish and attempted to move all the way up again, but again the price was showing resistance on this 1 by 2 channel. So what I am stressing here is that Gann angles plays very strong in the support resistance. I just shifted this Gann angle to this line only where it is broken. The price was broken here. Then I took this channel and the channel was holding perfectly well. And sorry, this line is like this. Price beached here. This was because of the COVID. Price came to the trend line but failed to take support and came down all the way. That's what you can see. In the history of Nifty, never moved this much month. So almost 12 months. Strong upward move. Now, what we need to analyze is where do we stand now? Whether to book profit or to buy. Till the price reaches 1 by 2, bullish move. No doubt. And as far as the price remain above 2 by 1, strongest bullish. So the market is very bullish now. But as far as traders point of view and investors point of view, you have to see the price action. Here, this month, price lost momentum. As we see, the price reached, gone above this 1 by 2 line. This momentum was strong, it breached, gone above, but next month it made a weakness with a upper shadow, higher upper shadow. February month also price attempted to move up, made a higher upper shadow. Even though it closed positive, this higher upper shadow is a weakness on the markets. Now March price gapped up again, but so far till 10 days movement, if we see that upper shadow is high, it made a lower high. The price didn't breach high here. It made a lower high here. And for the last 10 days, when you see the upper shadows high. And there is another technical side also showing weakness. So, to my point of view, it's time to book profit on the long positions and wait for the price to come down. And this is a strong support area. The support line is here. So as far as the time it comes to this line, buy. And how many months the price may go sideways, we don't know. It's a buying point. And even if the price reaches this angle, mostly price will take support. Either this channel or this angle. This is the way I see Nifty now. So I hope my viewers got a fair idea where do we stand now by using GAN techniques. Just only GAN techniques. During GAN's time, he introduced GAN techniques. So same way, every time market use innovations and try to use best technology. So current scenario is algo trading have a predominance in the markets just because of algo trading. It is not that knowledge. Knowledge was always there, but applying knowledge is the problem with our psychological side, the fear and greed. These two part is there everywhere in the market. That is the driving force. To overcome this, algo trading is the best. So to give a brief introduction on the algo, my next video will be a brief introduction on algo trading. So hope to make it by next week. I would say thank you everyone for watching my video and taking your time.